Welcome to Wrong Time Watch. My name is Kevin, and today we obviously have another watch unboxing. This watch was sent over by Saline Driver, Dane Saline Driver channel. I guess it's a Random Rob YouTube tour watch, so just going to open it up and check it out here. I think it's Mitch Mason. Not exactly sure which one it is, so will be a surprise here. All right, let's get this box open. So today, well, I just put this on the Breitling Endurance Pro. It's on loan from Saltzman's. Really thinking about buying it. I think it's too big for my wrist, but I really like the watch. It's super lightweight, and it's orange strap with the orange highlights, so it's very nice. One thing I would like is if that second hand was orange to match the other accents. I don't know about red and orange together. Anyway, let's check out this watch here. Sorry, I got packaging peanuts and it was like a box within a box, and I'm dropping these peanuts all over the place. Alright, I don't know why there's two boxes here. No, I'll pause the video and finish dissecting this thing, and I'll be right back. Alright, finally got through all of this tape here, so let's pull it out of the box. Alright, so there we go. Mitch Mason watches. Some social media information there. Instagram and Facebook. Definitely well packed here. 2 boxes and a bunch of bubble wrap. Alright, looks like a nice genuine leather watch roll here. Two bracelets. I'm not sure what that's all about. Oh yeah, this thing's cool looking. Super compressor type watch. Oh, okay. It just says put between watch to protect the case back, which does make sense. Oh, let's zoom in here. Actually, no, I may compare this to my Christopher Ward super compressor. The Christopher Ward is an actual super compressor. I don't know if this is a super compressor or just styled like one. I'm going to assume it's styled like one. So, I'm not sure. Is that MU? MU? Anyway, 12/3. Then you have a date there, and then that symbol over there. Or maybe it's an M for Mitch Mason. I don't know. I thought it was a Greek character. So anyway, interesting. All right, I'm assuming this one does the inner rotating bezel. Yep. Let's push that back in. Screw it down. So hand winding. This will be date. Some of them you turn clockwise to change the date, and other movements you turn counterclockwise to change the date. And it's hacking as well. It's a cool color dial. I guess I'd call this maroon or burgundy. Maybe it's the same thing. All right, let's screw the crown back down. I do like this bracelet. It's each link style bracelet with female end links. Push it in. These crowns have a lot of spring to them. Why can't I screw that down? Well, it's kind of embarrassing. There we go. Took a little bit of effort. I don't know why. Yeah, it's a cool bracelet. Solid end links with quick release pins. Milled clasps there. These two pieces are stamped. Looks like we have 6 micro adjusts. Alright, let's look at the case back and then I'll put it on wrist and we'll close out the video. A nice engraved case back here. You know what, I'll put it on wrist and then I'll release this quick release pin and we can look at the case back in more detail here. I might have tightened this a little bit too much. Very cool watch. Do the full presentation on this one soon. It looks good. Let me know what you guys think of this watch. They have that funky hour hand there. Alright, we'll zoom out and then we'll zoom back in and check out the case back. Sorry about the clutter in the background here. Let me know what you guys think of this watch. I think it looks good. It does have a date, which I don't really care for, but it's the date wheel is color matched and it's down there at 6 o'clock, so it doesn't really mess with the symmetry of the watch. Alright, let's zoom back in and we'll check out this case back. Now I have to figure out why it came with 2 bracelets. Okay, so that pin's captive in there, which is nice. Okay, so I'm assuming that's the Mitch Mason M. Looks like a Greek letter. Looks like a Greek letter though. Sorry, bracelet's making noise here. Microbrand watches group. Interesting. Alright, well there we go. Just a quick, well, or not so quick look at the Mitch Mason super compressor watch. I don't even know what it's called. Maybe that's it right there. Maelstrom, whatever. So, all right, there's a quick look. If you have not subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button, like the video, and leave a comment below. Thank you for taking the time. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.